Hey, how's it going? Miguel Martinez Juarez here. So this is a video on how to become one with the universal mind and manifest what you want in life, okay? I want you to understand a little bit about how you do this, right? I don't want you to think like, oh, you're using God like for our own benefit. Actually, it is that way, okay? And you use nature, we use nature in this way as well, which is God is in nature as well, okay? But let me give you an example, a scientific example, a visible example, in other words. Electricity. I have the light on over here, and it's on because we know how to use electricity, right? We know how to use it, okay? Now, because we know how to use it, we have light, right? We have light bulbs that illuminate our rooms, our streets, our cities, okay? But if we did not know how to use it correctly, it could shock us and we could die, okay? It could do a lot of harm, but we use it for good, okay? Because we know the laws of electricity, right? To create light in light bulbs and things like that, right? Now, how do we use God, right? To use God, we have to know two things. I was about to use four. Two things, all right? Two things, okay? And that's one, that God is life, okay? And we know what life is. Life, when we measure its degree, we measure it in intelligence, okay? A rock is alive because there's atoms in it, right? And it's just moving, right? It's moving. The atoms inside of it's moving, but it's not as sophisticated as you would say a cat, okay? Or a dog. Now, the more life you have, you would say it's more intelligent, okay? It's more intelligent, and this comes from Thomas Troward. As we discuss more about this, I'm going to bring in Thomas Troward, because this dialogue that I'm having, this conversation I'm having with you, is based off my readings of Thomas Troward's Edinburgh lectures on mental science. Now, God, or the universal mind, is the highest form of intelligence. It's infinite intelligence, okay? Because it has all the intelligence there is to create anything, okay? So we have to know that, okay? It is life, universal life. Because God, or the universal mind, is in everything, okay? Spirit is in everything, okay? It is universal life. I hope this is making sense, okay? All right? That's how God is in us and we're in God, okay? Oh, baby, my kitten wants attention. It's my kitten right behind me, okay? He's about half a year old. Now, the second thing you have to know is that God, or the universal mind, spirit, is also law. And law has sequence, okay? When there's laws, there is sequence. There is procedure, okay? Law, okay? One sequence that we see in nature of manifestation is a seed, okay? We see a seed planted in the ground and it grows, okay? It grows, okay? That's the law of gender, or we call the law of growth. It's called the law of growth in the book, okay? In Edinburgh lectures of mental science. You could also call it the law of gender. Now, these laws just mean that there is a growth period for your manifestation to come, right? You don't see the plant or the tree when it's a seed and it's under the ground. You don't see it, but then it eventually grows, okay? Same with any manifestation you hold in your mind, right? It takes time for the ideas to come to you after you focus on that goal over and over and over again. Feel the feelings of that wish fulfilled. See it as already done, okay? Because you know this knowledge, okay? My cat's coming up again, okay? So law, you have to know that there are laws that you work with, okay? And this is one law, the law of growth, okay? The law of growth You know, if you hold something in your mind, and in the spiritual realm or in the non-physical realm, you hold something in with your mind, it's going to be pushed out into physical form. Why? Because that's the natural law of the universe. Whatever you focus on, you feed, okay, comes out, okay? Now, this is a little bit more advanced because I'm talking about the universal mind, thoughts, and already assuming that you know that these thoughts are in the spiritual, right, in the non-physical, and when you hold them, they are projected into form, okay? That's the law. That's actually the law of perpetual transmutation, okay? This cat just scratched my hand. Hey, baby. I'm working, okay? We'll get him up. Okay. Oh, he wants to play so much. You know how kids are. All they do is play. So yeah, you need those two things, okay? For you to work in unity with God, okay? Unity with God. Another thing that I want to insert here is gratitude. Troward also talks about gratitude, saying that your wish is fulfilled already because it's already done, okay? It's already done in the spiritual realm, okay? It's already a fact. It's also a reality, right? It's a fact, it's a reality. All you got to do is hold on to it with faith, okay, and confidence. Okay, the opposite of faith and confidence is doubt and fear, okay, or fear and doubt, okay, fear and doubt, okay. And where do you get the faith and confidence? Is from studying, okay. Make sure you read every single day, listen to material like this every single day, okay. Bob Proctor, who's my coach, says do study at least 1 hour, okay? At least 1 hour. And then what do you study? The laws of the universe, you know, the mind, conscious mind, subconscious mind, universal mind, okay? You'll get results in your life. You'll begin to change the way you look at things, okay? So I hope you like this one. Make sure you work in unity with God, okay? And give reverence to God, right? Or give the glory to God, because God is in everything and God created us, okay? So we are individuals, but we're also linked to God, okay? God's personality is not individual like us, like we think of ourselves versus others. No, it's in everything. God is in everything. However, it does have characteristics. These are the two characteristics: law and life, okay? Universal life, universal law, okay? Universal law, universal life. Universal law, universal life, okay? Law means sequence, okay? Order. Life means intelligence. So God is infinite intelligence. It knows everything, sees everything, is in everything, and will provide you with the knowledge that you need when it comes to your goal, okay? That's how all things are created, okay? And yeah, and the bonus tip: be grateful. Be grateful for your goal that you accomplished in the spiritual realm, and hold on to it. Hold on to it, no matter how long it would take. Sometimes it's manifest right away. Sometimes it takes a little time. Okay, I've noticed that it takes time it takes a lot of time when I'm attached to it, when I really, really want it. When I forget about it, let it go, and I'm in flow, it comes right away. Okay, I'm showing this information because I love empowering people. I like telling people you can do it. Okay, that's my purpose in life, is to tell people you can do it. That's why I'm a fitness coach as well. I like telling people you can do it. Okay, just be dedicated, committed, and you'll get your fitness goals. Right? That is my purpose. That is my purpose, to empower others. Okay, and that's why I'm doing this stuff. Okay, and I think, well, I didn't grow up around this information at all. I didn't grow up around this information. I guess I just got tired. I got tired of working hard. Okay, working hard. I was doing everything, like just working so hard, and I wasn't seeing results. And I said, God, help me. And when I said, God, help me, life is supposed to be fun. helped me to make it that way. I was led to um, I was led to Think and Grow Rich. First, that was when I said I wanted to become rich. I said, okay. I was led to Think and Grow Rich. Then, when I wanted things easier, I was led to The Secret and Bob Proctor. Okay, Bob Proctor and The Secret. Okay, I was led to those videos. People had shared with me those books. Oh, have you heard about The Secret, The Law of Attraction? It sounded like bogus stuff to me at first, but then yeah, I was led to it again and again. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna listen to it, and that's when I started studying this information and was exposed to this. Not many people get led to this. I wish everybody in the whole world got led to this, but I guess we're just ahead of our time right now. Okay, you watching this, you're ahead of your time. Bob Proctor, Earl Nightingale, ahead of their time. James Allen, you know, the author of As a Man Thinketh, ahead of his time. So I hope you like this one. I hope you share this information and we make a beautiful world where everybody achieves their goals and everybody grows. Okay? Bye and thank you from me and Spike. Peace.